everybody, this is my first YouTube channel and where we are filming Max. Up. And he, as you can see, he is laying down. As you can see, he is always eating from 24/7. I know what you're thinking. Does he actually do that? Am I lying? No. He does. In fact, we are going to feed him right now. Maxie. And he is always looking at the treat. Look. He is always looking at it. Ah! And he just tried to grab it, folks. And here he is eating the treat. That's good? Yes. And as you can see here, folks, I am not lying. Because he always eats 24/7. Okay, guys, that was a wrap. Be sure to look at the next video next time. Bye.